precision glue, and then you get a free crystal jars mega mix, which is mixed in size and shape. Great. So I'm blending it. If the first time you're using condensed glue gel, be prepared. It's going to be a little bit thick density, which is great. That's what we want because it's going to work for chain charms and frames and all different accessories on the nail. So I am going to using a no wipe top coat. Apply a good amount of coat. You don't want to be too thick. You also don't want to be too thin for the condensed glue gels. Great. So let's see this guy as well. I bent it earlier already. So I'm gonna put right. I bend this using the bender. If you're just tuned in, you can see that. Earlier we did. Okay. Let's see this. What to go on that one. How everyone doing today? And I think I'm going to using the gold beads to matching with my frame. It's gonna blends really nice on that. If you are doing a crystal placements and especially Diamond Dust Pixie, and if the clients that come back, we have a lot. Here the question that we had a lot, like why my Diamond Dust Pixie come back is so dirty. Look, it looks like smash, which is a Diamond Dust Pixie is tiny little crystals. And when the clients that get really heavy-handed and do a lot of things around the house or normal daily they wing, they probably can get smashed. And plus, if you forget to apply the top coat on the top of the condensed glue gels, then it's gonna still have a tacky layer and it's underneath of the Diamond Dust Pixie. So that's why after a few days it still have a tacky layer, so then it's collecting all the dust for you. So that's why you're seeing it, why it looks so dirty. I'm gonna put this one on the size. I am going to using my, I think it's this one, it's a banana, but I'm gonna using this. Interesting, and I love this. If you don't do Diamond Dust Pixie, you're completely totally being done. But if you are doing it, and here you go. I'm gonna do 2 of them though. Let me open this one. Can you open this one, please? But before that, let me go in and go ahead and do this. You can do either way, okay? You can do it top first and go down, or you can do it on the free edges first, and then I need another tray. Easier to do when if you have a real like hand. Yeah, move that one away. I'm going to pour that back into the bottles for futures if you want to use it in the futures. You can do the base in yellow, or you can leave it alone like clear. It looks so stunning if it's clear either way. I really like that. Okay, I'm gonna put this one away, and then I'm gonna pour it back into my jars, so I can use it in the futures, and gently just move on the side to keep them nice and tight together. Great. And then tap it, make sure they are staying nice and flat, nothing is sticking up or catching on anything. Great. So you're gonna key it for 60 seconds. Great. You need to show it. Differently. Great. Just put it in. Okay, let me brush this off. I have yellows on my toenails, everyone, and chromes and crystals. My big toes all the time. Yellows, it's happy colors. And then in the meantime, we are going to take a look at the Media Luna, and we can use Peacock Tail. And here we have a lot of requests for this Peacock Tails. Sarah did it. I think I did it long time ago, a while ago. And then Sarah did this one. One of this was coming at your treasure box. I think that's how Sarah got. And a lot of people were asking for it because you asked. Here you go. You can buy it yourself. And it's really stunning to create the looks with this. So before I move on to the next nails, I am going to using a precision glue. Oh, bread cap you don't need. And this obsidian needs to go there. I'm gonna check right here every cracks, edges. I really want to check that because just in case you might have a scratchy spot that you need to seal it in, otherwise it's gonna keep catching the client's hair, the scarf, or anything else as they're wearing or doing. Just make sure you get all on the borders of the nails. And cure for another 60 seconds, and this nail is gonna be completely done. Hello, Nuna. So make sure you close that so you won't get it spills. And we're gonna prepare for the next one. Yes. Okay, let me catch up with my comments on Instagram. Hey, I'm back Instagram. I was gone for a little bit to Facebook, but I am back now. I'm preparing for this for all of y'all.
Yeah, they want to see your toe.
Huh? How can I put my toes on? Okay, I'm taking a picture. Just kidding. I said, wait a minute. I'm going to put my toes on the top of the table. It's just awesome. You know what's funny? It's goofy because I was sitting and said, I was getting nervous. I said, what? Does they want me to see my toe on that station? It's like when we're doing live video. Just kidding. I'll take pictures. I promise. Really beautiful.